Cubiio 2, a revolutionary laser cutter and engraver. Light and portable, quick and easy. You can draw anything. Preview your work. Start with a beautiful fountain pen. Cubiio 2 can easily engrave on curved surfaces. Make a special gift for your loved ones. Choose any picture, and you can make it happen. With the versatile Cubiio 2, the Eiffel Tower is right in front of you. Bring your imagination to life. Cut leather quickly and easily. Create your own design. Our software can handle all your professional needs. Enjoy your very own moonlight on acrylic. You can use a wide range of materials. Have fun with your family. It's easy and safe. You can even decorate a birthday cake. Make an ordinary day extraordinary. Anytime, anywhere, make your dreams come true. Cubiio 2.